Hey folks, it's Vic Noble here with your weekly trade example for the week ending October the 11th of 2013. Today I just have to show you some more of the recurring forex patterns to you, and all from today. I presented them along with Shirley Hudson in this course, and I'm still just always amazed at them on how good they are and how frequently they set up. They just work, and the sheer amount of them every day is quite something. Sure, some days there may be more than others, but there's always something somewhere, and in all the different sessions too, which is very nice. That's what's really great about them. It doesn't matter where you live. The patterns are available in all different sessions. I'll show you, for example, this is the Euro Yen, which is a good one to look at if you're trading Asia. This right down in here is what we call our pattern number 6. It was also a pattern number 4 that set up at the same time. It was also a 1-hour slingshot that we teach in the coach's corner at the same time. And this is on a pair that has a daily trend bias that is up. Okay. Doesn't mean that we always trade in that direction, but it's the preferred way. If you do have that all in your favor, that's just excellent. And this trade here, as it kept going up and the entry was right down in here. By the way, this 50 level is significant. You can do these trades with quite small risk, usually 10 pips, but I always tell everybody, when you're starting off, don't try to finesse the stop like that. Give it a little bit more, 12 to 15 pips of risk. But what it does is it allows you to get really good reward to risks very easily with them. Just think, if you're risking 10 pips, 20 pips gives you a 2 to 1. At 15 pips, you need 30 pips. But they're pretty much always available in these trades. As it went up, it kept going up, and as it came back down in here, it set up another pattern number 6. Okay, and it was also a pattern number 4. Here, I'll show you on the 15-minute chart. Like, we watch all this price action here is very significant to us, and the RFP patterns pick these up. This was actually pattern number 6 and pattern number 4 with a buy right down in here. By the way, it's right down near the figure. That's significant too. So it's actually pattern number 2. Don't get overwhelmed by all these patterns. They just happen to overlap a lot, and you only need to learn one pattern. That's it. Okay. It goes up. We always watch what the average daily range is on each pair. It goes up as far as the average daily range, which was the 50 level. That's significant. On a 4-hour chart, from this high back on September the 19th down to the low, we had a 62% retracement back to these highs. Look at these wick highs in here, all in here. That's significant. Really good place to take a profit on this. And that's actually worked right into another pattern number 4 sell right up at that 50 level. I'm not making this up. It just happens over and over and over again. Let's see here. That would be a counter trend trade, because, like I say, the daily trend bias is up. But this happened during London. Okay. Then I'll just show you some other ones here quickly. Here, actually a great setup today on the US CAD pair. Just hang a second here. We'll get that one up right here. Here it is. This pair also has a daily trend bias that's up. So it's coming off like this because there's an unemployment report coming out of Canada today on October the 11th. The daily trend bias is up though, so we're looking at, is there a pattern setting up here that might want to help us get long? Well, there was. Look at on the 15-minute chart. What do we have going on here? This is pattern number 5. This is our MACD divergence trade. Price is going down. The MACD is going up. Whoops. Didn't draw it in there. It comes back. This is the buy level right around this 80 level. It was also a pattern number 4. So we got a pattern number 4, pattern number 5 combination. They just, like I say, they keep happening over and over and over again. The ideal entry in here is around the 80 level, 103.80, and the this has already had 15 pips in it. And one thing that's important, excuse me, in your trading is to get risk out of your trade as the market gives you, makes it available to you. And so there's a really nice entry down there, and if this gets going up into here, you can have a very, very nice reward risk trade on this. So we'll see what happens with that one. This is a trade in progress right now. Let's show you one more here on the British pound US dollar. Okay, the daily trend bias on this is down. By the way, I wanted to show you one more thing on that US Canadian dollar pair. Did you know that this level down here was also confirmed by a 6-hour slingshot? You know, we have a pattern set up first, but then we just look over and oh yeah, it's also a 6-hour slingshot. That just confirms the trade, makes it even stronger. But we use the pattern first. That's the main thing, and then you don't even need to use slingshots and Moss, but they do help confirm the pattern for sure. Here is the British pound US dollar. What does it do? It just kind of rallies up, comes to this level. What's that? 160. The figure, that's a very important thing to know. The daily trend bias is down. This setup, this was a perfect pattern number 4. Sell at the figure. Down it goes. You know what this did then? This actually set up a pattern number 6. That's the VIC trade some of you guys might know about from before that. Sell right up here as it came back and to this level here, and it's been just coming off here. There's already been 20 pips in this, by the way, on the way down. We'll see if it keeps going or not. But you know, the point is the setups are there. You take them, and you can very, very, very commonly, I mean, I won't say all the time, but most times you can get the risk completely out of the trade and get a free look at it. We have other techniques for getting profits out of them as they go in our favor. Okay, this, by the way, is a 6-hour slingshot. Sell right here at the figure. By the way, you know, while I was just getting ready for this recording, I got an email from one of our Coaches Corner members asking me, "Hey Vic, was this a number 4 trade right here?" So he's picking this up. I just love that. I mean, you know, when I teach people this stuff, it's so cool to see them start picking up and recognizing the pattern. That's step 1. He saw that this was actually a sell up here, and he's just wants to confirm it with me. That's great. I mean, and he'll start picking these up now, and he'll get confidence in taking them. By the way, see this level here? Look across. Is it significant? It's look at this. It used to be support back here on the 26th of September. Really good. It came flying down through here. News announcement of some kind. And it's come back and retested it, right? With all of this pattern set up right in here at the figure. What a nice level that is, right? So we watch that all the time too. They really help. Okay. Here's the thing. Knowing all of these patterns will not make you money. Okay, sorry to say. They are truly fantastic patterns. They really are. They offer extremely good reward risk ratios, and they're all you need. They're all you need to make money consistently in the Forex, in my humble and unbiased opinion. Haha. But seriously, they occur over and over and over every single day, and they're there for the taking. But as I say, that alone won't make you money. And that's because of psychological factors. We spend a good deal of time in the Coach's Corner pretty much every single week talking about some aspect of psychology. Actually, we even have a resident expert in the Coach's Corner, Dave Deming, who spends every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year working on himself more than anything else, which has made all the difference for him. I mean, he's just become a very, very good, consistent trader. And he imparts that information to all of us every single week in the Coach's Corner. What a valuable gift that is. And I can tell you that that information and the psychological side of trading is incredibly important. In fact, it's everything. Because, you know, like I say, knowing a technical setup alone won't make you money. Okay? You need to be able to accurately apply it, okay, and apply it properly, and understand the process of trading. And it's very easy and very common for your brain to actually get in the way. And if this is happening to you, what can I say? You have to decide if you really truly want to change. Do you want to change that pattern of your flawed thinking, or do you just want to continue doing what you're doing? You know, it's obviously your call. But honestly, I can tell you that the Coach's Corner has helped so many people, and I just think it's a tremendously good resource. And I'm not just saying that because of me. Obviously, not at all. There's other really good traders in there that are super helpful for everybody else. So you got to do something to get things moving for yourself, and we're here to help if you want that. Maybe something you might take a look at. Okay, this is I think we'll just leave it at that. Hopefully all these other trades will keep heading in our favor here that I've shown you, and you guys have a great weekend and a great week ahead. I hope that was helpful for you. let me know, if I can help with anything. Just shoot me off an email and I'd be happy to get back to you. Alrighty, take care everybody, and we'll see you next week with another weekly trade example.